Hi and welcome to Violet Connie Art. Me and my son mr.d.sketch. We are going to try and do a Bob Ross painting today. I planned to do this before we moved house ages ago and just never had the chance to get around to doing it. We're going to actually do it with acrylic paints because I didn't know I had oils. I found these when I moved. I don't ever remember purchasing these. I don't have any oil paint thinner or anything to go with oil paints, so I think that someone must have gave them to me. So I might use these in a future video, get some stuff to use them with, because I've never tried oils before, except for once when I was a kid I did a paint by number oil painting. But anyway, we're going to put them aside, and I have this big bucket of acrylic paints that we have. They're mostly brown colours, but hopefully we'll have enough colours to do this Bob Ross today. So yeah, excited to get started?
Yeah, very.
Right, let's turn it on.
So which Bob Ross are we doing?
So we're going to do the Lazy River from season 2.
Episode 10.
Yep.
Welcome back. Glad to see you again.
Because we're not using oil paint, I'm using some glycerin in a spray bottle with some water to spray on our canvas and spray on the paint. I googled how to slow down the drying process of acrylic paint so it's a bit more like oil, and this is what they said to do. So I'm going to try this out. That's the first time I'll be trying this, so I'll let you know how it goes.
First time, I'm going to ask him to graphically run the colors through so you can see all
Can
the
you pick
colors
colours?
I'm using that I have on my palette today.
I'm going to spray that on there. I'm going to spray your canvas like that, and let's see how we go with this. Alright, so he's doing a lovely blue sky to start with, so let's try that. Whoop. And get some on my brush, and I'm going to go, oh, his is a lot lighter. Maybe we need to add some white. What do you think?
No. Possibly.
We're not acrylic painters, are we?
No. I don't really paint at all, but sometimes.
I have all these paints from when I was making your Dungeons and Dragons props and things.
Ah.
Okay, a little bit of the white. Oh, look at that. That works well. You can dip in some white there if you like. I'm going to keep my canvas nice and wet.
Yeah, Bob Ross is fast, isn't he?
I know. How does he do this? Oh, he's got bigger brushes than us. We're just using whatever we had lying around. A bit more blue. Oh, look at that epic blue. I don't have it a bit darker at the top. I don't know why. Just that's what I want to do. There you go. Get some more wet on there. Spritz, spritz, spritz. The spray's there if you need to use it. Oh, that makes it so smooth to paint with. Look at that. How's it making yours?
Pretty good. It makes it easier to paint on, I guess.
I'm loving what you got there.
Thank you.
Ready for the next part?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, what colour do we need next?
Work this paint back and forth, making little crisscross patterns.
Okay, ours does not look like that, but that's cool.
Just a nice quick.
It's going to be epic anyway. It's our own version of Bob Ross.
Yep.
And then we're going to put some happy little trees in.
Ah.
And a little bit of Prussian blue. Just very dark, nice colors. And let's just go right in here and begin dropping in some happy little trees and bushes, and let's just see what happens.
You guessed it, Mum.
Just let them flow off your brush.
Alright, we're going to stab the page right in the middle.
Look at there already.
Alright.
Already we got all those good things happening. There's a big one over here.
I think my brush is too wet. I'm going to use this one instead. It's kind of a round. Oh, that's better. Use this one. Try this one.
This is one reason you need a
Oh, he's so fast.
easel. If you notice the easel that I'm using here, it's made from a platform leather.
I don't know how he does it.
It's cool.
Alright.
I don't know what to stop
Alright.
it.
We're going to pause that because he's so fast.
Yours looks really cool.
Here's yours. I love it. fun doing painting together. This is messy. I wonder how much different it would be using actual real oils.
Did you use oil paints?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh wow, look at yours.
My trees just look like a big line of green.
He's gone right up the side of the canvas. I'm going to try that there on his picture. Yours look great. I love how it does some different tones through it. How did you do that?
I just dipped
You're just a natural.
I don't really paint.
Alright, I'm going to go. Oh dear. Alright, Bob Ross. How do you do this? Alright, you get the idea?
Yeah.
Your turn.
How do you use a palette knife?
Hold it on the side. See? Oh yeah, getting it now. Alright, trunks away. I haven't got a fan brush, but I'm just going to squish it on the side so it's nice and flat. Oh, look at that.
Fat tree trunk.
And then we're going to just highlight some trees. Just lightly, very lightly dab to get some highlights. Alright, now we're going to pull down the brown.
Pull down the brown.
Apparently. So we're going to go like this. We're going to get the brush nice and dry. We're going to go, oh yeah. Just the edge of the brown, just pull it down. And then wipe across.
It looks like water without doing a thing. Let's take a little touch more of it. Van Dyke brown.
And wipe across. Straight across.
Just drag it down with no color?
Just, yep, drag the edge of the brown down. Just one big stroke, like this. Stroke. That's it.
Oh.
And then drag it across like that, very gently. Some highlights just like this on the rocks around the...
His is perfect. Look at those. Yours looks great.
Yours looks great too. Alright, just some along the waterline. Okay. I am not very good with a palette knife.
Yeah, me neither.
Right here, would you like to have a go of doing some water lines along the edges of the banks?
Use white?
Yep. Okay, his looks absolutely epic. Right, he wants to make more land masses. I'm going to try and do it without the palette knife because I'm not winning with that anyway. So some land masses out the side.
This is our first time Bob Rossing.
Yeah, not sure how many times I'll do this again. This is so much fun though.
Yeah. I have no idea what I'm doing anymore.
We're painting Bob Ross style.
Ah. Yeah.
Yours looks awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big tree.
Yep.
It's messy.
Big tree.
The brown.
It's a really big fat one too.
Take just a tiny bit of the permanent red mixed with some umber. That goes out like that.
Yours is looking awesome.
Thanks, so is yours. Needed different brushes, but I didn't want to use my watercolor brushes for this. I guess it's not a complete disaster.
But look at mine.
Yours is great. I love it. It's meant to be just a bit of fun.
You know what?
Are you having fun?
It's a happy little accident.
It's a happy little accident. That's right.
Another big tree.
Oh, we're going to do another tree. All right, another tree. It's going to come here.
Fan brush.
Non-existent fan brush that we have.
Yep.
It's going to lean.
Just about ready to call this one finished. So.
Woohoo! We did it! We did our first Bob Ross.
Yeah.
Signing this one.
All right, we've got to sign it.
Next week, we're going to be doing a black canvas.
Dip in with my little brush, and I'm going to sign it down in this corner, maybe where Bob Ross signed it. Whoa! That did not turn out well. It matches the rest of the painting. Mr. D. Sketch.
I'll just write Mr. D. Oh, no.
I'm going to leave a link to both of our Instagram accounts in the description.
Yeah,
And-
check out my mum's. It's really cool.
And check out my son's Mr. D. Sketch. He's done a great job with uploading some beautiful artworks there using his Copic markers and some tan tone paper and some comic strips and things, which is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video and our attempt at a Bob Ross. I think overall it came out better than I was expecting. What do you reckon?
Yeah. We'll leave a link of the episode that Bob Ross did and what we tried to copy.
Yeah, we'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Let me know if you've ever tried a Bob Ross. I think I'm going to do this again with oil paints. You're going to maybe join in on that one?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe I'll try and do a Bob Ross on my own with actual oil paints when I get some I found that just appeared out of thin air, but I have a stash of art supplies, so they could have come from anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.